Hi everyone, and welcome to another video in this van build series. In this video, I'll go through the design of the bench seat, which will house my pull-out toilet drawer and battery system. I'll also be installing a lagoon swivel table mount. I've done the design in SketchUp. First, let's remove some components so it's not so cluttered. Here will be my Ep30 slimline 200 Ah lithium battery, the DC to DC charger and 2000 watt inverter. This will be my toilet drawer, which I will install using heavy duty runners. I will simply pull it out to use it and put it away when not in use. I plan to have a lid that is hinged so that I can lift it up to gain access to the battery system. I'm going to purchase some slats from Ikea. They will have some spring in them, so they should offer some comfortable support. They are a bit oversized for what I need, so I'll have to cut them to length, taking an inch off either side and recessing them into the lid frame. Okay, so there you have it. That's the plan. Hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. You should also check out our previous videos. In the next video, I'll talk about the cabinet drawer and door faces. Bye for now.